Hi, this is Eva from Miami, Florida. I'm originally from Mexico. I've been here for 4 years and I've always struggled with gut health, with self-esteem, and just relationship with food in general. I've always been really skinny, and on my case, it's always been like, how can I eat better? I want to gain muscle. I don't want to be, the skinny girl all the time and all these things that we grew up with. So I mean, I've tried everything. I've tried just regular nutritionists, regular just like workout coaches, but nothing has ever really worked for me because I was looking for something more like whole and complete, like that had all the parts that I needed, including even the psychology, which is super important, and no one really offers that. So with Ty, what I found out was that she was all this together, plus she always holds you accountable of what you're doing. Like, it's not like these online courses that you just pay and you do it whenever, and no one really cares. Like, even the person that did it, he'll never ask you if you're actually doing it or something. And Ty is actually there, not pushing you in a bad way, but like really holding you accountable, and she really makes you be honest with yourself when it comes to this program. What I like the most about her program is that it's really realistic for any kind of women or men even that are struggling with all these different scenarios. She's super realistic in terms of she understands that life is busy, that we all work, we all have kids, whatever it is, and she still finds a way for you to succeed with all these things in your way, and she always makes you feel like good with yourself. So that's really good to have in a coach. She's super trustworthy. She's really like responsible for clients, and you can tell that she really loves what she's doing. So I mean, that's it. I'm super happy with what I've achieved so far. It's never over. I feel like I literally just started, and I wish I can continue with her for a long time because this has really helped me. Now I have a better relationship not only with food, but like I started to get to know myself more in terms of food and what triggers different things in me, and a lot of this was more psychological than I thought, and Ty really helped me see this from another perspective. And another thing that I really liked is that she doesn't make you go out on like a strict diet or leave your cultural foods. Like for me, I'm from Mexico, and I was like, well, how come I'm not gonna eat tacos anymore, like we eat so much corn tortillas or all this stuff. But Thai really gives you like another option. It's like you don't have to give that up, just here's another option for you. So I really appreciate that because I never really found that with anybody here in the US so far. So I'm super happy, totally recommend her. Don't be scared. It is kind of strange at the beginning since she's actually worrying about you and asking you how you're doing. So, but then it's like you see that she's a real coach, and that's what she's there for, and she really takes advantage of that time with you to actually help you, and you're not just another client to her. So I really appreciate you, Ty. Thanks for everything, and hope you keep helping more people.